upon the first blossom. Don't fall into my sweet trap. We will get there someday. Trees, flowers, and the forest are full of treasures. This is the smell of life. Listen to the butterflies. They will guide you. Every flower blooms in its own time. Don't step on the grass, or I'll punish you. Flowers bloom and wither. That's life. Be gentle with the flowers. Dreams are like seeds. Water them, and they grow big. Butterflies, bees, flowers, they are all my friends. Bye-bye, spring. Back to the earth.